Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
in a major relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the Supreme Court on Friday granted interim bail till June 1 in the excise policy case. A bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta granted the Delhi Chief Minister interim bail in the money laundering case registered against him by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the Delhi excise policy case. The bench on Wednesday told the ED Counsel, Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, that it may pass the order on interim relief to Kejriwal on Friday. Kejriwal was arrested by the ED on March 21 in connection with money laundering probe relating allegations and irregularities in the now scrapped Delhi Excise Policy 2021-22. Voting concluded on Tuesday evening in 92 constituencies across 12 states and union territories in the third phase of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. At least 64% of the 17.24 crore eligible people voted in the third phase. Assam recorded the highest turnout at 81.71%, followed by Goa at 75.20% and West Bengal at 75.79%. The least was Uttar Pradesh, which saw 57.34%, while Bihar recorded 58.18%. On the lower side of turnout, Gujarat recorded 58.69%, while neighbouring Maharashtra recorded 61.44%. Chhattisgarh recorded 71.06%, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu 69.87%, and Madhya Pradesh recorded 66.05%. The third phase saw sealing of the fates of over 1,331 candidates, including Home Minister Amit Shah, Supriya Sule and Jyotiraditya Scindia, amid reports of sporadic violence in West Bengal. During the day, 75 international delegates from 23 countries visited several polling stations in 6 states to witness the poll process. The delegates also witnessed the process of dispatch of polling materials and machines to the polling teams, the Election Commission said. The fourth phase is set to take place on May 13th in 96 Lok Sabha constituencies spread across 10 states and 1 union territory, including Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca has announced the worldwide withdrawal of its COVID-19 vaccine following concerns over a rare and potentially dangerous side effect, as reported by the British newspaper The Telegraph. The decision to withdraw the vaccine comes after AstraZeneca acknowledged in court documents for the first time that the vaccine can cause a rare condition characterized by blood clots and low blood platelet counts. AstraZeneca stated that the withdrawal was due to the commercial reasons and emphasized that the vaccine was no longer being manufactured or supplied, having been superseded by updated vaccines designed to combat new variants of the virus. Excitement is brewing as the makers of the highly anticipated film Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, starring Janhvi Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao, unveiled new posters. Janhvi took to Instagram and treated fans with a new glimpse of her and Rajkumar's characters. The first poster captures Janhvi and Rajkumar wearing their Indian jerseys and standing close to each other, beaming in joy. The Indian flag could be seen painted on their faces. In the second poster, Janhvi and Rajkumar are seen screaming with joy and cheering in the stands of the cricket stadium. The next poster shows the actors expressing their happiness amidst the crowd gathered to watch the game. Originally slated for an April release, the sports drama is now set to hit cinemas on May 31st, 2024, as confirmed by producer Karan Johar recently. It's been another record-breaking season for batting maestro Virat Kohli, as he became the second player who has scored over 600 runs 4 times in the Indian Premier League. Virat accomplished this feat during his side's game against Punjab Kings at Dharamsala this week. Virat smashed 92 in just 47 balls with 7 fours and 6 sixes. His runs came at a strike rate of 195.74. In the ongoing season, Virat holds the orange cap for the most runs with 634 runs in 12 matches at an average of 70.44 and a strike rate of 153.51. He has scored a century and 5 50s and his best score is 113. Virat has 4 seasons with 600 or more runs in the IPL. tied with Lucknow Super Kings skipper KL Rahul.